Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to monitor multiple currency pairs on MetaTrader 5. If you're a trader looking to diversify your investments, or simply want to keep a closer eye on various markets, knowing how to efficiently monitor multiple currency pairs is essential because it allows you to track different opportunities, compare market movements, and make more informed decisions before entering a trade. Let's dive right into it. To begin, we're going to focus our attention on a crucial feature within MetaTrader 5, called Market Watch. If you're already familiar with the layout of MetaTrader 5, you'll know that Market Watch is your gateway to viewing live market data, located typically on the left-hand side of the interface. The Market Watch window is where you'll see a list of available trading instruments, including currency pairs. This section is especially useful because it gives you a quick overview of what is happening across different markets. Instead of opening multiple charts one by one, you can use Market Watch as your central location to find the currency pairs you want to analyze. Once you've located the Market Watch window, the next step is to utilize it to its full potential. Direct your cursor to the Market Watch area and position it over a blank space or an existing currency pair listing, whichever is accessible and convenient for you. Then, right-click with your mouse. This action brings up a handy context menu that offers additional options for interacting with the Market Watch. In this menu, you'll notice several choices, but the one we're interested in is labeled Show All. By clicking on Show All, you're instructing the platform to display all available instruments and currency pairs, even those that were previously hidden from your list. This is a significant step if you're aiming to observe a broad range of currencies without having to search for each individually. The Show All option expands your visibility, providing a comprehensive overview right at your fingertips. For example, some traders may only see a limited number of currency pairs when they first open MetaTrader 5. After selecting Show All, additional pairs become visible, allowing them to compare different markets and look for setups that match their trading strategies. Now, having activated the Show All feature, your Market Watch window is populated with a far more extensive list of currency pairs. With this setup, you can effortlessly scan through numerous options and choose which ones to monitor more closely. Whether you want to keep track of major currency pairs like the Euro-USD and GBP-USD, or explore more exotic pairs, enabling Show All ensures you won't miss out on any potential opportunities. Monitoring multiple pairs can also help traders identify relationships between markets. For example, movements in certain currency pairs may provide additional context about market sentiment, economic events, or changes in currency strength. It's important to note that while this method maximizes your visibility, it could become overwhelming if you're only interested in a specific selection of currencies. Having too many currency pairs displayed at once can make analysis more difficult, especially when you are focusing on a particular trading strategy. More options do not always mean better decisions, so keeping your workspace organized is important. To customize your view further, you might want to selectively hide some pairs later on, or organize them using independent watch lists catered to your specific trading strategies. Creating a focused watch list can help you save time. For example, a trader who mainly trades major pairs may only need to keep Euro-USD, GBP-USD, USD-JPY, and AUD-USD visible, instead of scrolling through hundreds of available instruments. By efficiently navigating through the Market Watch settings in MetaTrader 5, you enhance your ability to respond swiftly to market changes and trends. This simple feature can make your trading workflow more efficient by helping you quickly switch between different opportunities, monitor price movements, and prepare for possible trade setups. Keep this tool in mind as a fundamental part of your trading toolkit. Remember to explore diligently and always ensure to analyze your chosen currency pairs thoroughly before making any trading decisions. Market monitoring is only one part of successful trading. Always consider factors such as risk management, market conditions, and your personal trading plan before taking action. And that's it. You've just learned how to monitor multiple currency pairs using MetaTrader 5. Incorporate this skill into your regular trading routine to maintain a comprehensive trading perspective. By building an organized Market Watch setup, you can spend less time searching for instruments and more time focusing on analysis and strategy.